Hello, hello. There we go. There we go. I was like, where the fuck is my mic, bro? I thought it was working. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Where do you think press would go? I don't know. We're about to find out. So, let's get right into the daily bias. Yo, what's up, Ben? What's up, Jesus Christ is Lord? Let's get right into it. Um, so I'm pretty bullish. The reason why I'm bullish is because we did get a change of state of delivery on the hourly, or on the 4 hour change of state of delivery, or and as you can tell, daily or on the 4 hour here between ES and NQ, ES broke structure to the upside, and NQ did not. But let's see, we have no SMT. We still have SMT here, but I'm pretty bullish overall still though. No. Shove down to the hourly. Drop down to the alley. Hey, what's up, Master? What's up, Master? The Master. Let's see, I'm looking for SMT right now. We have SMT right here, actually. We have slight SMT right here between ES and NQ. At this high, I'm expecting this high, this draw on liquidity first, and potentially these highs and these highs up here. I am pretty bullish here. So let's see what happens. Dropping down to the 15-minute here. Looking for liquidity. We do have liquidity resting below here. Which could be a good area to look for longs at. So push down here and then push higher. But we'll have to see here. We're just gonna live market do this thing. I think this could be the first draw on liquidity here. We sweep that out, and then we push. I think Wednesday makes a high week with 9:30 macro or 9:30 manipulation. Then 10 sends a slower, just an idea. My bias is bearish after it sweeps Tuesday's daily high. I think 9:30 will sweep it, go lower. Let's see. We did just now sweep out daily high. But this candle's so bullish, bro. This candle's so bullish. So that's the only reason why I'm bullish. This daily candle's so bullish. Let's see. Fuck. Is this real money? This is a prop firm account right here. What I'm on is on a prop firm. What prop firm do I use? I use Top Step. Diddy Free didn't. Let's see. Let's see what happens here. I could wait for 10 o'clock to see if we break structure on NASDAQ. And if we do, we're seeing higher. If we do, we're seeing higher. Are you paper trading? No, this is on a evaluation account. Let's see. Price could come back down and sweep out all of these lows. These generated sell side liquidity here. Because this could look to start to be your market maker sell model here. We stopped our previous day high. We're still in this gap. We tapped this order block. When we were pushing up, we were leaving generated sell side liquidity here. We're leaving generated sell side liquidity here as we were pushing up. So honestly, if we can inverse this gap here, shorts here won't look bad at all. Shorts here don't look bad. We have SMT at the highs here. Yeah, I think shorts here might be the move. But we're gonna have to see if this gets invalidated here. Why stock market live streams have been popping on my free page so much? It's probably because it depends on where you're searching, brother. Juke this out right here. Bro, scared as fuck. What do you mean? Hey, what happened to the Mars coin? I have no idea. I don't trade meme coins. Crazy how price shit the back couple days. Now it's filling up that shit back up. Yeah, exactly. What's up, Teddy OWS? What's up, brother? Taking 150k to up 4k so far. Good work, brother. Trying to get like you. I'm watching your stream on YouTube. I need to get it out of my mouth. What do you mean? What do you mean? Thank you. What's up, Koo? You sound sick. Dude, I still feel kind of sick, just a little bit, But I feel fine at the moment. I feel fine. So we've already swept out London high, Asia high. I mean, order flow is bullish. Order flow is obviously bullish. But you don't want a long right here at all, because after sweeping out this high, after sweeping out this prominent high, daily previous high, it's just too scary to long. And we have slight SMT here now, so we have SMT here on the 1 minute here also, and on the higher time frame. So now looking for this gap to get inverse here. Shorts here will look good. Is trading the same as gambling? A lot of people say trading is just gambling, but I think it's a lot more than just gambling. Going to the casino is fucking gambling. But in the stock market, you have so much more confluences that can go your way and so many other things that could help you win. So no. So yes, stock market is gambling, but there's things you can do to prevent yourself from losing. Everything in life you do is a gamble. It's just a risk that you're willing to. It's just a risk that you're willing to take. That's a clip. $12.30. Formed another SMC, turtle soup, 15 second potentially. Oh, dude, I remember whenever I was on 15 second, bro. Shit killed me. I'm not even gonna lie. You trading TGR? No, I'm trading something differently. Let's see. Get time to buy Bitcoin. Looks like we swept out all this weekly low. I mean, yeah, I think honestly it would be a good time to buy Bitcoin. Just looking at the chart, yeah. Yeah, see how we just came back up? Shit is fucking wild. Came back from 49 to 57. That's fucking wild. In what? 3 days, bro? That's actually crazy. Yeah, we're just pumping here. Like you said, there's no entry for us. This didn't look too high prominent for me. If you wanted to say that this was your breaker, I guess you could have said, okay, we came up, pushed up, breaker on the 5 minute, 1 minute fair value gap. And yeah, but it just doesn't look it doesn't look prominent at the moment for me, at least. That's nuts. Yes, sir. I don't see sells after how hard it's rejecting the weekly demand. I got you. Yeah, no, I'm like I said, I'm bullish. I'm very bullish, but there's no entry for me here for bullish, for my longs at least. This is just straight pump up. So I think a SPY. SPY is the same thing as what is it? Yeah, see, 522 to 529 in 3 days, or it went from 510 to 530 in 2 days. Let's see. Yeah, we're bullish for sure. SCTMC work Monday. Yeah, yeah, it just fucking ran bearish SMT through, bro. There was a decent swing low this morning with the fair value gap. Nice 12. Let's see it. I mean, well, you could have probably entered off this inverse after this sweep of sell side. But that's what I took this morning. Oh, for real? Yeah, this here didn't look bad. With an SMT would have looked. I'm not even gonna look for SMT, but if this was your sweep, fair value gap here, inverse, that would have been a clean ass entry. Let's see what happens here. So we came down, tapped this 5-minute, right? We tapped this 5-minute fair value gap. What can I expect? We can either pump from here, or we can come back down because we are at standard deviation level here. The last manipulation leg was here. We pushed up to -2 standard deviation, but we came down. Retrace. If we can retrace the 50% mark of this range, that would be nice. That would be super fucking clean for me. But we don't really have to. I mean, we're already in higher. We tapped the higher time for PD array. I'm pretty bullish. I want to look for a 1-minute SMT here, if possible, because we already have an SMT on the hourly, right? So we have SMT here. I'll look to enter one contract here if we can get a bullish confirmation here, or this change in state. Fuck. Let's see if we come back to this black line here. Okay. I'm gonna give longs here a try. Put my stops here actually. This is overall a good, decent target. Let's see what happens here. Trust the process. Can you show why is your TP there? My TP is really this black line that I marked out. It's another buy side liquidity here. But the reason why I have my TP right here or up here is because standard deviation, I just projected, because this is the last manipulation leg that swept out this liquidity right here. And this, we have SMT down here. So I was like, okay, fuck it. I'm just going to go ahead and mark my standard deviation from this last manipulation candle that tapped this 5-minute fair value gap, which is -2 standard deviation. But to this black line, I would be okay with. But just in case we do get a nice pump run through this. What made you enter off of it just for value gap SMT? The reason why is because we came down, tapped this 5-minute for value gap. We're overall very bullish. We have bullish SMT. We have bullish SMT on the hourly. We're overall bullish. We came down, tapped this 5-minute fair value gap. Tapped the 5-minute fair value gap. And then we swept out some sort of liquidity, which was this low here. And then we had SMT at the lows. And then entering off a change of state right here. Because this is the candle that swept out liquidity. So that's why I entered. And then I entered off this change of state. Yo, I'm in the same trade right now. Hey, good work, brother. Took some off because of choppy PA. Only two runners. To finish sweep you, then go up, not gonna lie. I mean, that could be a possibility, bro, because we tapped this 5-minute once. we could come down stupid again and then push back up. That's usually what price likes to do, 2 sweeps in the fair value gap. So I'm in a pretty light here, risking about 32 points. Hey, thank you, James Machuri, for the subscribing, brother. Appreciate you, brother. Putting 3 unskippable ads on your live is crazy. I'm gone. Dude, I didn't know it was 3 unskippable ads, bro. That's crazy. Oh my god, we got 65 people on my YouTube. That's fucking crazy. Thank you guys so much, brother. What broker do you use? I use Tradeovate. I got my order set about to hit the gym. Hope this hits. Yes, sir. Because right now, this is not your propulsion block also. This is not your propulsion block. We shouldn't see a candle closure below this 50% mark here. As you can tell, we pushed up, closed above it. We've been respecting CE of this whole propulsion block here. If you want to draw it out here. Whole propulsion block. Rejecting off CE of this propulsion block here. So funded? I am not funded. I'm on a 150k combine account. This is, yeah, I guess they can also be your breaker block too. Should push up here. I saw a fair value gap here, so this, we have to run through this. If we don't, we're gonna start chopping around here. I'm gonna go ahead and move my stops to break even here, because we did just sweep out this. We're in a 15-minute fair value gap. We could start to reject off of this. Excuse me. And then yeah. Or I'll probably just move my stops here. Be safe with it. We should have come back down here anyways. Take some profits, brother. Alright, I'll just go ahead and take it off here then. Actually, yeah. I'll just go take it off here. Nice little trade here. I'm up 600. Because I noticed, as you can tell, I noticed we tapped the 15-minute fair value gap. We swept out Hive Day. And then I ended up like taking profits like, let's see, hold on, give me a second. 539. Oh, hold up. I got filled a little bit below this, but it happens, I guess. Yeah, I know. So that's why I even consider taking it off here, because we swept out this high, and we are also in a 15-minute fair value gap. Maybe I could have just moved myself to break even here, but I wanted to take some profits. I'm on a combine, so I'm trying to, like, honestly try to pass this shit as fast as possible. So shorts don't look bad here also. But hey, I followed my plan. and I saw that this could happen, and it did. I mean, we completely just bearish engulfed this candle here. 30 points win, which is not bad at all. Was in hardly any drawdown, really. When did you start trading? I started trading like 2 years ago. It messes with your overall profits in the long run. It does. It does. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like taking profits early, it does ruin your profits in the long run for sure. But I saw the conditions. The conditions were fair value gap and super high day. So that was super very improbable for me for sure. Thought about it, saw it, and I was like, okay, yeah, no, we gotta get rid of it, type shit. Oh fuck, my bad. I gotta fix this. There we go. What kind of trading is this? This is ICT concepts. I usually take half off at 1-1-1, then let the rest ride. Yeah, the thing is, I'm only with one contract in, so if I take out, I'm only with one contract. If I even like take it out, then I'm all out. You know what I mean? So I can't really take profits unless I do micros. But I'm trying to like, to be honest, like this might be sound greedy as fuck as me, but I'm trying to pass it I'm trying to pass this as fast as possible. Don't listen to other people. Honestly, trust your guts in the market and you experience. Exactly, 100%. Thank you, King Julian, for subscribing, brother. I appreciate you. You know, like minis. No, I trade on minis. Waiting for it to come down to this order block or this 15-minute fair value gap order block. Have you passed the challenge before? I have passed the challenge before. I think I've passed 2 challenges before in my career. I've always said myself that going break even is just your emotions kicking in. It's not. 100% it's not. If you see the conditions that we're in, as you can tell, we're chopping right here. As you can tell, look at these wicks. These wicks are fucking nasty, right? We got to push up, sweep up hive day, and we also, in the 15-minute fair value gap, we're rejecting off of it. We could come back down, sweep out one more time. We can sweep out these lows one more time. As you can tell, we're generating buy side liquidity, or we're generating sell side liquidity here. Boom. Generate. I'm new to investing. I use Cash App stocks to do it. What's a good computer site or something like that? TradingView. TradingView.com. Then why take the trades in the first place with all those negatives? That's very true. The thing is, I was bullish overall. I saw that, okay, we sweep, we have SMT, change of state of delivery, enter here, got 30 points, which is pretty good. And then I saw that, okay, we have a 15-minute fair value gap here, and we have 15-minute fair value gap, and we already swept out hive day. So that's also, after that, super sketched out after that. But it's okay as long as you took profits where prominent highs are, which is completely fine. TradingView, yes, Ryan. Power 3 doesn't lie. You shouldn't be in a rush. You just paper trade it for like a month. If you were patient enough to do, then take your time on the combine. Yeah, because dude, the thing is, I heard August was the worst month to trade. Right, worst month to trade. That's when all the investment bankers, all of the the whale sharks, they take their last minute vacations or whatever. And August is the worst month to trade. I think August last month was the worst month for me, bro. I just got fucking destroyed last year on this month. Ryan, sounds good, man. Where can I learn to do all of it? I don't understand much of what you're doing right now. You can join the Discord. It's completely free. Everyone in there is super nice, and if you have any questions, they'll answer it. Everyone here is super nice, and they're very educated, or some of them are. And the Discord's in my bio. I'm also ICT trader, bro. Map out your new week opening gap. Yeah, right here. We're obviously in this new week opening gap here. Shorts might look to start to look prominent here, but I'm very bullish overall still. This is probably just another setback. As you can tell, we came down, swept out this low. Finally swept out this low. And do we have SMT? Let's look for SMT here. We have slight SMT here between ES and NQ. What? Where's your initial stop loss? And let's see if you. Yeah, no, I would have gone stopped out. That's the thing. I would have stopped. I would have got stopped out. 100%. I think my stop loss was here, or it was here. Yeah, it was here. I think. And my target was all the way up here, but I saw the conditions and I saw that okay, this could happen here. But I ended up trailing. My stop, which is good. What's the schedule for going live? I go live at 9:25 New York time every morning, or 8:30 or 8:25. 8:25. Central time. Okay, I'm gonna see what this candle does. If this candle closes bullish, if this candle closes above this high on the 4-hour, we're going higher, 100%. What I'm looking at right there. How much are you risking per trade? My average loss, since I'm only doing one contract, is about 30 points. So 30 points is about, or try to risk like a little bit under 35, 37 points. So I'm roughly risking about $700 per trade, roughly. Think they're not gonna be the draw on liquidity because of equal lows. Let's look at big Judas swing that took out buy side liquidity. Might be shorts. We'll see. I mean, I'm bullish overall. So it's like, so we closed above this, right? We broke structure to the upside on NASDAQ. So I'm pretty bullish. I mean, I'm gonna wait here. Because look, this could be your change of state of delivery, SMT at the low, standard deviations marking up, projecting price to come up here. That was the last manipulation, and this lines perfectly with these equal highs up here. So we're just pumping here. We did get a change of state of delivery, but I'm not going to enter off here yet. I'm going to be safe and wait for a pullback here, because if I was to enter up here, my stop loss would be like radical. So I'm going to wait here. Someone explained the vocabulary he's saying. Yeah, it took a while. It took a while, but I mean, yeah, I don't know. Markets are rebound though, bases on the rate cuts expectations. Told you the super would work. 100%. I'm still very bullish. How did you learn ICT like a mentor? Yeah, something like that. I learned from mentors, and I watched a lot of YouTube videos for sure. How much do you need to pass? I need to make 9,000. So I'm 1.7K in. So I need to make about like 8.3K to win or to pass it. Volatility index so high right now. Usually I do one contract, but two. But for now I'm using 4 to 5 micros. Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, but 4 to 5 micros is not bad at all either. Are you still on Top Step? Yes, I am still on Top Step. Oh, 7.3K. Oh, fuck. I'm tripping, bro. I'm tripping. I'm Asian. I can't do math, bro. What the fuck am I doing? I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electrocuted. I turn it up. Was the first trade a win? Yes, it was a win. Is 588 your target for longs? 5 should be 581. This is the first high, or 580 50. 580. Then 588 could be your next target. But I just have 588 marked. I just have 580 marked out. So I'm gonna wait. So we technically did get a change in state. And we have bearish SMT. But I want to see how this candle closes. Or draw my fib from here to here. I want to wait at least for discount PDA right here. What type of profit you have? This is TradingView. And no, this is not paper trading. This is on the evaluation account. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, relative equal highs. Yes. I'm a beginner, but is Robinhood the best place to start, or is there another good place? I mean, if you're just a beginner, I mean, Robinhood isn't. I would switch over to Webull. Webull is more advanced, but it's way better than fucking Robinhood. Out of curiosity, how are you able to stream on computer without OBS? Oh no, I use OBS. OBS, and then I use TikTok Live. Do you only trade? Do you only trade, or how do you make money? I only trade, and then like I sell drugs on the side. No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I don't. How do I make money? I don't. I make money from YouTube, but it's not a lot. Look at the S&P. Yeah, S&P just ripped through these fair value gaps here. We have SMT. I mean, honestly, you could look to short here. Shit, could have fooled me. I'm just gonna wait here. We do have a 15-minute fair value gap that we just tapped. It goes electrocuted when I turn it on. All through my city. Okay, so look, if we inverse this gap right here, oh my goodness. If we inverse this gap, I'm entering longs. But like my take profit would be so fucking low because I want to target these highs. And we have SMT also. Oh. And we're overall bullish on the 4 hour. 1 hour is bullish. Oh, dude, this looks great. This looks great. Kind of want to go 2 cons here. If this candle closes above this purple box, I'm entering. I guess not. I'm going to wait for another minute here. See what happens. I need some more structure for below buy side liquidity. In a month into trading, I'm trying to make money from home because I'm gonna quit my job. Oh, my back. Any tips? If you're going to start trading and you think trading is gonna make you a whole bunch of money, it's not. You need to have something on the side and trade in the morning. So what you need to do is trade in the morning, work a job, like in the or work in the job in the evenings. Something that can keep you stabilized while you trade, because what is it? Trading is not gonna make you rich, bro. You need to. It's gonna. You're gonna lose a lot of money before you become profitable. 100%. 150K funded. This is 150. This is 150K evaluation. Yes. But it has to be a job where you can look at the screen. I mean, realistically, you don't really need to. I mean, I would say just trade in the morning. Do everything in the morning. If you already have some sort of knowledge of the markets, and you already know how to trade, I would say, and you're unprofitable still. Like for me, I need to get a job. I need to go work at like fucking. I need to go get a job. And then, because I only trade in the morning, and then I just kind of just goof off later in the day. I've known people that definitely get rich off of that. It's definitely it's common, but it's rare. Dude, it's really hard to meet. It's really hard to find a profitable trader. What firm are you on? I'm on Top Step. Top Step. Best thing is to work from home. Yeah, that's fair. Work from home is also really good. Is this a funded account, like a loan? So a funded account is not a loan. A funded account is basically they're technically giving you some sort of capital, but they're not really losing anything, if that makes sense. If you want to see fucking I have a TikTok video about it on prop firms. So if you want to go watch that, you can. But you don't owe anybody anything. So how do people like TJ get rich? He got very lucky with crypto. I mean, he even said it himself. He got very lucky with crypto. All right, 12 seconds here. I'm gonna look to enter if we can break above it. All right, I'm gonna enter here. Stops is like right here. Excuse me. I want one of my take profit areas to be like right here at most. No, like he got rich off of crypto first, and then he learned how to trade. He was obviously he's obviously a good trader, 100%. Chop. What do you do to not overtrade and take stupid like IQ zero IQ trades? I have a strategy. You need to have a certain strategy for you to be like, okay, I'm gonna wait for this, and yeah, pretty much that. Discipline. Can you explain, bro? You should be one and done for the day. Yeah, no, this trade I wasn't. This trade was good, but this trade also looks really good in my opinion. So I'm gonna see how this trade plays out. This is probably gonna be my last trade for the day. Where are you at with your combines? I only have one combine. If you look at the bottom left, this is the account balance right now on the 150K account. Okay, you guys even see it? Oh, why does it say 51K? It's actually I'm on a 150K account. I don't know why it says 52. There's a 1 before it. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's just a bigger number. Hold on, let me fix that. Give me a second. There we go. Why are you in a long position? The reason I'm in a long position, we came down, tapped this 15-minute fair value gap here. We have SMT at the lows. Oh. We have SMT at the lows. SMT at the lows here. We swept out some sort of liquidity. And now we inverse this big bullish gap or big bearish gap here. So that's why I even entered above here. My stops is like kind of like right here. I only want to risk this much here. Basically roll the dice. What do you mean? But you know when you're so annoyed about trading and you're down a lot, what stops you from over trading? If I'm down a lot, what stops me from over trading is just like it's just experience, obviously. But I kind of just like I wish there was like a lock on Tradeovate, like a lock where it just stops you from trading. Wow, this candle is not fucking beautiful at all. To be honest, I did size up a little bit here with one extra contract here at 37 points. No news that you need to TP super early. PD arrays get destructed more often with no news. Oh, I didn't know that. Honestly, I didn't know that. But like I said, I have obviously if I let's say I do lose this trade, I have confluences regardless, so I'm not really too worried about it. I know my strategy works. I know if I do lose it, I lose. Price take out all high of the last session, bro. So I see it could go low of London session. What do you think about this? The reason why I'm even longs is because we're overall bullish. We broke structure to the upside on NQ. Broke structure to the upside. And hourly's bullish. We technically did close above this new week opening gap or new day opening gap. So I'm expecting these highs. We still have this inverse fair value gap that we're holding. I want to see if we hold it or not. We could get stopped out here. If we get stopped out here, it's fine. I'm not really too worried. The reason why I sized up to this trade because I was pretty confident in this trade, to be honest with you. So How did you have your long bias, bro? Broke 2 inverse figure up in the 1 minute? What do you mean? All right here. The reason why I was long bias, 4-hour broke structure to the upside. And, okay, we got stopped out here. But 4-hour broke structure to the upside. This is now your breaker block. This is now your breaker. Price came down, tapped this breaker here. Wick-wise. And then hourly is also very bullish. We have bullish SMT on the hourly right here. Between these two. And then 15-minute here. We came down, tapped the 15-minute fair value gap. And we created SMT here. We pushed up. Inverse gap. Was expecting long positions to go up. But I guess we got stuffed out here. Five minute. If you look, I guess this is considered chop. Yes, we were chopping around here, but I was expecting an expansion move after we came down. I was expecting an expansion move after we came down, swept out all these lows right here, and then pushed back up. And plus, we came down to this 15-minute fair value gap. I was expecting non-consolidation here. What's your strategy? My strategy is basically bias for like some sort of SMT on the higher time frame, 15-minute find liquidity or in a balance, and then 1-minute entry CISD or inverse fair value gap. You're so bad at trading. How did you go long? How did you long that? I mean, I longed because it's something I would usually take regardless. Like I said, I'm not too worried. These. We could start to see a switch in order flow for sure. But, like I said, I am bullish. Maybe PM session could give me bullishness. We are coming down to this order block here. So 4-hour candle open. Yeah, obviously we rejected here, but this could just be retracement to potentially go up to back to the upside here. We're still very bullish. We still have bullish order flow, way bullish order flow. Came down to this hourly order block. For you won. The only bad thing about that trade was size is too conscious, but if you follow your rules so good and proud of you. Yeah, exactly. Like people are fucking on my ass, but like I said, I follow my rules and I'm not too worried about it. I might go long again here, but I want to see if we have any SMT here. We have SMT here. We came down, tapped this hourly order block. 15-minute, still in 15-minute fair value gap. I'm gonna wait here. Like, obviously I'm a fucking trader, bro. I fucking lose all the time, so. People lose all the time. They just don't want to show their fucking losses. Yeah, like I've been on a win like the past 2 days I've won, and today I lose. It happens, bro. Like it happens. I'm gonna size down on this trade here. So right now we came down to this order block. I'm still very bullish. We came down to this order block. This is also your breaker. If we can inverse this gap here, I'll go ahead and enter another contract here. If this was even if this was AMD power 3 accumulation manipulation to the downside, potential upside here. If What app do you use to trade? I use TradingView. Yeah, and I'm gonna, because like this still looks very good for me. Where I still want to go for longs. We tap the order block on the hourly time chart. We're also in this breaker on the 4 hour here also. Longs here don't look bad. I'm gonna give longs one more try here. And if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. Like I said, this still looks very good for me. This could be a switch in order flow change, but give longs another try here. The reason why I'm entering this trade, we're overall bullish still. We're still rejecting off of this 15-minute fair value gap here. We have an hourly order block that we tapped and rejected off fairly nicely. And then we have SMT at these lows. This is a trade. This is my last trade of the day though. I'm not hating. I just think you're a way better trader than you think you are. You just need to stop over trading, brother. It's power 3 based on Asia London sessions, dude. We should be bearish. Oh my gosh, he's lost one trade and he said that we several preferential trades in the chat. Yeah, I lose, I win. This is something I would take. I'm gonna take it. We see SMT. Chat being too negative. No, it's okay to be negative, bro. It happens, bro. We have SMT right here. ES took out. ES did not take out this low, but NQ did right here. We inverse gap. Bro, sell this entry. If we close right back down this gap here, I'll just exit. Fuck. Problem with this trade, you brought well into premium. I mean, let me see. Where's midnight opening at? Oh, we could come back even lower down here, actually. So where midnight opening lies. If we close below this fair value gap here also, I'll just get out. But I thought my screen froze for a second. Thank you, Ethan Van Winkle, for the roses. Jay with the lightning bolts. Appreciate it, brother. Let's get out of here. Yeah, let's get out of here. Alright, well, P&L for today is negative 1800. But I shouldn't have oversized here, but I was very confident in this trade. And I took an L here. So I should have just added if I saw some potential upside, but from now on, I'm not going to be doing 2 contracts. I will add if I see a high probable trade. Thank you, Red Dragon Archer, for the rose, brother. Appreciate it. Too early. Not bad. It's a winning day from you follow your rules. Exactly. Like, yeah, I'm done for the day. To be honest, the reason why I even took this trade, so this trade here, this was an okay trade, decent. This was an okay trade. This trade here, I was pretty confident in this trade. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's why I went up with 2 contracts instead of 1. And this trade here, I feel like this trade was okay. The reason why I even took this trade was because we came down to this order block right here. This order block. We also have breakers here. Breakers, order blocks. And I saw that we had SMT here. Came up, inverse gap. Entered off here. I manually closed at this low right here. Same thing with this trade. I guess we were accumulating here. But I saw that we came down. We swept out all of these lows. All of these lows one more time. And we came down, tapped a 15-minute fair value gap right here. Pushed up, inverse big ass bearish candle. Ended up taking my long position here and got stopped out. Let's see. Q, where is your major liquidity sweep? You're making your moves based on, dude. What do you mean? I guess I could have waited for these lows and plus midnight opening here. But sometimes we don't always get midnight opening. And I saw that we had sweeps. I guess we're starting to see some bearish order flow. But like I said, the reason I even went long here was because 4 hour did break structure here. 4 hour did break structure. So that's why I even went longs. If you want higher probability setups, wait for the 15-minute version and take fair value ups and average fair value ups setups. Everybody makes mistakes, people learn from them. Exactly. Like I said, I'm probably gonna make it all back tomorrow. Like realistically, it happens. Thank you, Anthony Flores, for the roses, brother. Appreciate that. Flores. First teacher just got kissed. You don't know what you're doing, my brother. The last long is terrible. Yeah, I feel like I kind of pushed this trade, but at the same time, I was overall bullish bias. We came down, tapped this order block. As you can tell, we're respecting this order block as of right now. And yeah, we inverse this gap. Go with the flow. Don't overthink it. I believe that this is just a retracement for us to go higher. Keep it, Brody. You got this. I honestly do believe in you. I'm a new trader as well. Keep going. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that. A 14-year-old trader, ICT concept can be explained through basic, simple price action concepts. Have you ever tried to find someone to teach you? I think I have the concepts down. I think I just need some slight adjustments overall. How long have you been trading? I've been trading for about 2 years, but I've been doing ICT concepts and futures for about a year. What time are you going live tomorrow? I'm going live around 9:25 a.m. New York session. Are you paper trading or using real money? I am on an evaluation account, so technically this is still fake money, but this is something that you need to take to prove to the prop firms that you're profitable. I'm going to introduce tomorrow either market maker sell model with turtle soup at the top of the range. You need to sharpen the blade. Agent range, London, New York, morning reverses. I'm waiting for tomorrow. What platform do you use? I use Top Step. How many evals have you passed? I've passed, I think I've passed 2 evals before. I've passed 3 evals. And passing those 3 evals were the best things in my life, bro. Like, honestly, that shit was like fire as fuck. I was happy. Yeah, have it blown them? Yes. Any payouts? I've received 1 payout. Do you think we end the week bearish or bullish? I think we end the week pretty bullish. Pretty bullish. Brother, can I give you a tip for interest on fair value? Yeah, 100%, bro. Go for it, man. Difference between regular and eval account. Eval is just, it's pretty much still fake money. You're not making anything. It's just basically, it's like a combine. You tell them that you know how to trade, etc. Like I said, I won the past 2 days. Or past 1 day. I guess 1 day didn't really count, but I passed one. I was up about 1,000 yesterday. How much money did you first off trading? I didn't make anything. What's up, 6? Got smacked in my longs today, brother. So what I do is wait for price to tap at fair value. For example, price retraces into a SIBI. You wait for the first engulfing candle to close, and the last up candle closes. Then you enter off momentum. Vice versa. I got you. It's not a bad idea. Enter off of momentum. Nice up a grand. Yes, sir. This is the area to go buy from. Let's see. I mean, like I said, I was still over a long bias. I mean, for our broke structure, that's why I even started to go longs. But we're respecting this order block right now. We're still respecting this order block. I'm gonna go ahead and go on paper. I just want to see if I can go short, little bro. Let's see what happens here. I think I'm gonna wait for this midnight opening. I think midnight opening is the next straw. We also have lows down here that we could come and tap into. We did just inverse this bearish engulfing we did just inverse this bullish gap here. Good rule is 2 losses in different day. Yeah, exactly. I won 1 and I lost 2, so I'm pretty much done for the day. Don't long. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for these lows. Profitable trader. I don't claim to be profitable now. Are you funded yet? I'm not funded yet. Brother, hear me out. You're tilting. You're reverse trading. Yeah, no, I'm just gonna wait here. I'm done, pretty much. For me to even take another trade, I need to see these lows get swept. Do you use ICT? I do use ICT. And yes, I've been funded before. How much are you gonna put up for the funded? I want to pass this. I want to pass this eval first. What's your bias? I'm still very bullish. Higher back at 150k. Oh yeah. This is just the practice count. This is the. Same. I lost one loss, and now I'm break even for the day. I'm done because of the 2 losses. Stop backseat trading. What do you mean? Backseat trading is crazy. Backseat trading is crazy. You trade Nasdaq? Yes, I do. NQ1 futures. How old are you? I'm only 20 years old, man. And he's actually tilting. You can still be you can't recognize it. I've been there, and he knows how to hide it. I mean, obviously emotions are high. Obviously emotions are high. I just have to control my fucking emotions because I'm not a fucking bitch. Realistic. I need a job. She's gonna help me with my trading. Exactly. Like I might work at a barbecue place, honestly. Like, cause one of my buddies actually, he's a general manager, and he's like, if you need a job, let me know. And I was like, fuck. But I really don't want to deal with food, bro. Thank you, Jay, for the give me the vote. Appreciate it, brother. What happened to McDonald's? Dude, they didn't want to accept me, bro, because of my past experience. Because I made a fucking ice cream cone when I was like still Because I made an ice cream cone when I was like off the clock and shit. We don't have a Kroger's here. Wendy's, dude, I really don't want to go to Wendy's either. Like I want to like work at Walmart or Target. I shouldn't have quit Target, honestly. Target was good. Or I didn't quit Target. I got fired because they had it out for me. Realistically, they had it out for me. Etc. Uber, I don't have a good car for that. I drive a truck. Cartel, we hiring. Yeah. No. I can't be doing that shit. I can't be doing that shit. Did you win 1 for 3 today? Yeah, I went 1 for 3 today. I'm down 1,800. It's fine. I've been through every job. So I'm saying, like, I've been through every job, bro. Like, no, it was 2 hours in a row. What were you doing at Target? I was just stalking shit and looking at beautiful women. No, I'm playing. That made me sound so fucking creepy, bro. Holy shit. What I meant to say was there was just women overall. The thing is, I don't want to short here because I'm already done for the day, bro. Like, I want to follow my rules and, like, I want to just be done. You know what I mean? Nah, you chilling. We be doing that shit too. Ah, that's funny as fuck. That's funny as fuck. It's okay. We be doing it too. That's funny as fuck. Someone in the chat said, "Oh, it's okay. We be doing it too." That's funny as shit, bro. Hey, we're all. Hey, we're men, bro. We're men, bro. Like, obviously, we're not gonna stop ourselves from not looking at a beautiful woman, you know. Plus, Target is just full of white girls, realistically. Pro Creeper is crazy. I am down this morning. I'm down about 1,800 this morning. Where the woman's at, eh? Damn, did you say black girls aren't beautiful? No, there's some beautiful black women out there. I just personally, like, obviously us men, we have personal like preferences, and so do other people, and that's just how it is. Women have personal preferences. I have personal preferences. It's just how it is, bro. But we're not gonna get into that though. What's that to say? We're not getting into that. See, bro, if I would have shorted, I would have got fucking smacked. Like I said, I think longs will play out. Honestly, we did get a change in state of delivery. Longs still look very good here. But, like, I can't. Like, I just can't. Hit her with a bye bye, bye bye. Here out of line, I'm out of pills. Say you want a good time.